Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to transfer crypto from Etoro to external wallet. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first one is just simply go ahead and open up the Etoro Money application on your mobile device and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply tap the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen, guys. And from there, just simply go ahead and select the type of crypto that you wish to send it to the external wallet and just simply go ahead and tap on send. And from there, guys, just simply make sure you have the right amount to send and just simply provide the recipient public address, which is your external wallet. So make sure you have the right address, guys, and you can either type the address or scan the recipient QR code if you have the QR code. And now just simply double check the address, guys, for accuracy. And once it is done, just simply tap on the send in order for you to confirm. And from there, an SMS code will be sent to your mobile phone or an email will be sent to you. And just simply provide the code and just simply go ahead and tap on verify. And from there, guys, a confirmation will pop up showing that your send request has been received, and tap the relevant crypto to view all the transaction that you have and just simply check the status of your request as well. And guys, to check the validity of a public key, just simply visit an online blockchain explorer for the specific crypto that you have. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out, and if you do, just simply leave a like, and thanks for watching. See ya.